Quickfire watchlist for this week, China A50 is really struggling to hold above this 154 level. However, the trend is bullish with our 50 and 200 moving average. I've drawn the fib from low to high, looking for a 50% retracement into the fib golden zone and then a break higher and continuation. So while the technicals are not overwhelmingly bullish, we do have the edge finder giving China A50 a bullish reading, which is a big confirmation for this trade. Next up, I'm looking for shorts on the US dollar ZAR. We have a very aggressive downtrend here, making it very hard for us to look for a solid entry. So all I'm doing is zooming down, keeping things very simple, following the trend with our 250 moving average. I've drawn the fib from high to low, looking for a 50% retracement. That would also allow price to come and meet our 200 moving average and then a continuation lower. And of course, we do have that bearish edge finder reading that does really support this idea. And finally, I'm looking at silver. Silver topped out at around 84 and has been really struggling to break back above the 75 zone. We still have a very aggressive bullish trend. However, I am willing to buy silver on pretty much any pullback to a key level. So as you can see, all of these orange lines are $5 increments. So I'd be looking to first buy at 70, then potentially down at 65, then again at 60. It's very hard to try and buy into trends like this because the pullbacks that we get are very, very minute. And it does look like we might have had a short-term top here before we have a bit of a relief and then a continuation higher. Now, the reason I'm not willing to call this a top is because we have the edge finder giving us that bullish reading, indicating that the fundamentals are still driving this market higher.